If you need to reset your password for FirstFed, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the FirstFed website. Open your web browser and go to the official FirstFed website. Look for the login section on a homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery page. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. Make sure to enter the information accurately. Step 4. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your account 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements and is something you can remember. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.